Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to insert data into the table. We have learned how to create database in SQL and how to create table in SQL in our previous video. I will put the link in the description box. So if you don't know how to create a database in SQL or how to create table, so you can first watch that tutorial, then you can come over here. So let's start. Just click on the window button on your keyboard and search Zen control panel. Just click on it and click on the start button. You have to start Apache. Then you have to start MySQL. After that, just click on this admin. So here is the admin panel of SQL database. This is the database only which we have created in our previous video. So click on it. So we have created one table in our Omni database, which is YouTube channel. So now we want to insert data into that table. So let's see what are the columns in our table. So there are two columns in our table. One is public and other is number of videos. So let's see how to insert data into it. So what you have to do, just write insert into, then we have to write the table name, which is the table. What is the table name? Here it is, YouTube channel. After that, you have to put parentheses. Then you have to write the name of column. What is the name of column? The first column name is public, and the second column name is, you can refer over here. You can go into click on YouTube channel. So here are two columns. One is public and other is number of videos. So number of videos. So just close the parentheses and then write over here values. So we have to write the values in the sequence which we have right over here, like sequence. First we have to add the value of public, then we have to add the value of number of videos. So let's say I say yes, the videos are public, and how many videos are public? Let's say 14. Close the parenthesis and terminate them. So run the command by clicking on go button. Then you see the data is inserted in our table. So we can confirm it from here. So here is the data, yes, and 14 videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.